pa. A low-cost wind engine from bamboo. Paano ko kung wait, Lord Jesus, daog may nga sa mga kadaog. Guide me, pero sorry nga win, dili. Kira nga, bisag wala niya na daog, basta amin try ang best. Dili ano. Dili. Wala itarong. Okay, wala istingog. Paano mo?
I'm the only one tall.
Oh, yeah, see.
I'm the second tallest. I was the shortest. Second tallest and
I'm the
second
oldest.
But you're the shortest.
I'm the youngest.
I'm the middle. I am
We
my
can say
oldest.
una mo answer.
So then ako.
Dili. Okay, take about sa answer.
Nani?
Mo yung kwan.
Okay.
Kung ano itong bike daan?
Dili.
The first question na.
Bitaw kay doha ang mga judge. Upatay kaya, bata, gatupi. Ang gamal na bata. Sige, lagi yung tanong niyo.
Excuse me, sir. We cannot actually hear anything from the video.
Yeah.
Kano?
Same.
We agree.
Excuse me, sir.
We agree.
We agree. We cannot hear anything.
Bro, I'm showing them.
At least after answering it only.
I'm showing them the project in our back. Look, look. Oh, at the screen. The project is at our back.
Back of ours.
Backs.
Oh.
Gaya din natin mga nanay ay.
It's loggy.
It's low.
It's also. Did
Mm-hmm.
anyone realize the Philippine flag in the background?
Yeah, it keeps on moving.
Excuse me, sir. We cannot hear anything from the video.
Just for sure we don't hear anything from the radio.
I cannot hear anything.
Mosquito. Suti ah. Excuse me, sir.
You already said that.
Katulong ako kung matingog na. Buwan nagkagapatos. Ang barang yung taro.
More dito.
Ipakita natin ang project nasa itong likod. Excuse me, sir. We cannot see anything.
Other than the mic, and you say,
Alright, we're using the microscope. Uy, 4 minutes man nag-iubay.
Pamilis ito?
Isip ka na sa labas. Ayaw dito. Ayaw dito, Catherine.
Okay.
Come here, Nair. Come keep me screen. Don't mind me, my thing ko. Ayaw mind ang thing mo. Yung answer. Pero, might not to ba? Kaya, kung kinsay ka ba sa answer, mo yung answer.
Is that Ronaldo?
Uy, mana na.
Thank you very much. The answer is number 3. please be ready for the question and answer.
Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, researchers from Badian. Okay, so first, congratulations for presenting and sharing your intersectory project as young as grade 6. So your project title is EcoSpin Low Cost Wind Energy from Bamboo.
Yes, sir.
So as I have seen it and based on your presentation also in your manuscript as well, what have you done in the bamboo is just you cut the bamboo and you make a turbine out of it. No, and in your problem, objective condition, first problem in you. First, a restatement of the problem. To design and test a mini bamboo wind turbine as low cost, renewable energy source using locally available materials. So now, what's unique on this study?
The
Where
thing,
in fact you just cut the bamboo and then make a blade out of it, and then you just uh, vary the number of blades, and then you generate electricity out of it, or did you use any other, because the turbine is not the source of energy,
the wind energy is.
diba? So can you expound or can you share with us how did you conduct this, or how did you conduct the study?
How did we conduct the study? Thank you for that question,
Or
sir.
what is it? Yes. How is it unique?
It is unique because we use bamboo as the main material. Thank you, sir. And,
So
and
how
bamboo.
does the bamboo, your material, generate electricity?
When the wind, when as the wind hits the blades from the bamboo connected to our DC motor, it spins and wind energy turns into mechanical energy to electrical current.
Do you have the prototype there
Yes, sir.
with you?
Sorry, sir. May you please
Katong
repeat?
kwan yung himo kita out of bamboo. Do you have the prototype of your mini
Yes, sir.
bamboo
Yes, sir.
turbine with you there? Can you show us? Can you show it to us?
Here, sir.
Because I cannot find it in your manuscript, the setup of how did you conduct the investigation. Because in your manuscript, you come up with 1.8, is that 2 volts? 1.8, 1.9 in your result. No?
Yes.
Yeah. So now may prototype.
Yes, here it is, sir.
Pwede mo tanaw.
Sir.
Sige, asa man. Asa?
This one, sir.
Dami.
Here, sir. This is the DC motor.
Yung game mo, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 4, 9, 5. And then out of this, out of this number of blades, asa man sa number of blades, ang makaingon mo nga mas kusog o mas dako o ma-generate na voltage.
Actually, sir, the blade that created the most power is the 5 blades, but 3 and 4 are more better to use because 5 blades is very wobbly and not very stable. So 3 and 4 creates power and is easy to maintain.
So Okay, so my last question now, is it the number of blades at the caliber, or is it the wind, the strong or the strength of the wind?
The number of blades only differ, but the wind speed is all the same.
How did you measure the wind speed? The same siya pag investigate with you.
Oh, we use an electric fan as our wind source.
Okay, electric fan. So same as wind speed. Okay, that's my question. Ikaw, my question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So researchers, thank you so much. That's all our questions from the judges.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Young researchers number 3. Let's now immediately proceed to young researchers number 4. We have 11.
Eh, pwede raw mo siya, Arta.
Nakamute. Ano naman?
Pero pinasama. Pero pinasama.
Pero, sorry, God.
Ano gagawa niya sa bot?
Ha? Baki ang buhay ko. Wala ito ka paminaw. Okay lang kanina. Kani. Hindi on.
Sige, ano siya ba? Gusto ko mas. Sa kidalan isa. Same.
Win or lose? Nasa na?
Akong gi-answer ka na, no? DJ kayo. Diretso na lang ka. Nadi, katong questions gito na namo, di ba? Boy ng gawas.
Oh, ang camera pod?
Give me the yellow one. Kasi, wala, gipakita.
Ipakita ko lang mo ano.
Akong gisulti. Wala ko naman siya mga tanan kung sa akong pagkasiga. Yan siya. Unsay nag-differ, ang wind or ang blades? Ano po? Ang nag-differ ra jud sir kay kanang and English ako ni ko sir, pero ako nag-differ ra kay kanang blades. Number of blades. Yes, na ko. Ayun sa. Bro, ayaw pakita sa